guys, happy Tuesday. Ignore the giant mess behind me. I know it's there, I'm ignoring it. I just got home from the grocery store and put all my groceries out on the table here. I filmed my grocery haul. I didn't pick up the camera sooner because you guys have seen me do the grocery shopping thing every Tuesday since I started. I'm very much a creature of habit. But I went to Aldi and Walmart like I always do. I bought a ton of stuff. You guys can watch my grocery haul if you're interested in seeing exactly what I bought. But now I have to get all of this stuff put away, which is my least favorite part. So I'm getting everything kind of organized and put away. You guys always talk about how you like how real I am. I don't think it gets any more real than this. I'm sitting here putting my groceries away and organizing things, and as I'm doing that, I'm doing this. Sticking to my floor. I desperately need to mop this floor. How gross is that? Apparently someone spilled something sticky. So that's going on my to-do list for today. Slowly getting groceries put away. I really need to empty out my refrigerator entirely and scrub it out, but just like last week, I'm procrastinating. I'm not doing it this week either. Next week for sure, though. Do you guys put off cleaning out your fridge? Like, I empty out all the leftovers and stuff all the time, and I wipe up, like, major spills. Like, I'm gonna wipe this up, but I don't thoroughly clean it every week. I used to be really good about it, but who has time for that? Not me. Alright, my refrigerator and my freezer are all stocked back up for the week. My deli drawer is full. Vegetables. Fruits. Plenty of beverages. Yeah, I'm all set. You guys want some more real life? You can see that I folded all that laundry that I washed yesterday, and it's still sitting here on my living room floor. And there's socks that need to be matched. And this is how my house will look, most likely, if you show up at my house unannounced. A work in progress, always. I don't think my house is ever 100% clean all at the same time. So for their Advent activity today, the kids are going to do some Christmas or holiday painting of some sort. While I was at Walmart today, I picked up all of these acrylic paints. Plus, Austin already has some acrylic paints, if I'm not mistaken, so they're going to pull those out. I have these canvas panels that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Sorry about the shadow, guys. It's that time of day. So they can just use that. And I picked up the paintbrushes and the little art palettes. So they will be able to sit down and paint to their heart's content. Which I think they're both pretty excited about. Austin loves painting. Robbie's a huge artist. So I'm excited to see what they come up with. So Austin's working on sketching out his design. And Robbie's kind of sketching and painting kind of as he goes. It looks like they both had similar ideas. They both have mountains going on, so that's awesome. It's a lot of paint you got there, Robbie.
Not really.
Yeah.
I'll probably end up using it all.
Good. And don't waste it.
Gonna do.
You guys are doing a great job. I can't wait to see the finished product.
When it's smaller.
Alright, so their paintings are done. And you know what's interesting is that my kids are complete opposites. 100% night and day. And yet, they were not given a prompt for these paintings, and neither of the other one knew what the other was doing. And they made some very similar paintings. Isn't that funny? I guess it must just be a brother thing. But I think they did a beautiful job. I love what they got going on here. And did you guys enjoy that activity?
Yeah. Yep. But which one did you like better?
I'm not playing favorites. I think they're both beautiful. So that was definitely a successful activity. And now we got a mess to clean up.
Not that big of a mess.
Not terrible.
How still we see the light above thy deep and dreamless sleep.